Welcome, young artists, to the threshold of a magical journey into the realm of drawing and painting. Picture yourself wielding a brush or a pencil, guiding it across the canvas to bring your wildest imaginings to life. This isn't merely entertainment, it's the gateway to unleashing the boundless creativity within you. Drawing and painting transcend simple picture making. They're vehicles for expressing your deepest emotions, dreams, and imagination in ways words fall short. Every choice of stroke and color narrates part of your unique story. In this space, there's no room for right or wrong, only the joy of creating something that's exclusively yours. As we embark on this adventure, we'll cover foundational skills, but the true artistry will emerge as you personalize these techniques. Ready to start? Let's gather our art supplies and make our first mark on the canvas of creativity, exploring the limitless possibilities together. Now, young artists, remember every masterpiece begins with a simple idea and action, like grasping a pencil. Yet it's essential to hold it correctly, as if it were a wand summoning your creative visions to life. Just as wizards learn wand mastery, artists must master pencil grip, the initial step towards everything from doodles to masterpieces. Let's delve into basic shapes, circles, squares, and triangles. Far from mundane, they are your toolkit for crafting anything you can envisage. From these simple forms, let's conjure anything from joyful faces to intricate cityscapes, using our imagination to transform and combine shapes playfully. As we progress, always remember, the realm of creation knows no bounds. Next, we embark into the vibrant world of painting, ready to breathe life and color into our sketches. Keep your pencils poised and imagination alight. The adventure has only just begun. Continuing our journey, we now enter the enchanting world of painting, where each artist becomes an alchemist, turning basic materials into a vibrant spectrum of expression. Selecting the correct paints is our initial step. Whether the fluidity of watercolors or the boldness of acrylics, each medium tells a different tale. As we wield our brushes, let them be our guides to create stirring waves, rustling leaves, or the softest puppy fur. The secret lies in the mastery of brushstrokes, adding depth and emotion to our canvas. A crucial revelation awaits. Using only 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, an entire palette of shades can be born. Through mixing these, discover the joy of creating new hues that bring your vision to life. Armed with these techniques, let your canvas reflect your dreams, transforming it into a portal of imagination. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into painting, shaping your masterpieces with every stroke. After journeying through drawing and painting's basics, we've arrived at a thrilling moment, challenge time. Consider this your opportunity to showcase everything we've learned. Your pencil and brush, now friends in creativity, await your command to bring forth visions yet unseen. Whether it's a serene landscape, a burst of sunset colors, or an abstract never before imagined, this moment is yours. In art, there's no judgment, only expression. Every choice reflects your individuality. Let your spirit lead your creations and marvel at the wonders you'll produce. Remember, every great artist began with a single step, just like you, evolving one masterpiece at a time. Breathe life into your imagination, and let's witness the birth of something truly extraordinary. The next phase of our adventure will celebrate these artworks, a testament to your creativity and a beacon for your continued artistic voyage. Behold the incredible artworks before us. Each piece shines with unique color, imagination, and the signature of its creator, you. From the first pencil grip to the sweep of paint, every step has been a journey towards finding your artistic voice. Remember, every master was once a beginner, their secret being persistence, curiosity, and exploration. Hold on to your tools of creation. The vast world of art awaits. With practice and experimentation, the possibilities are endless. As you continue on your artistic path, never lose the joy of creating, for in the realm of creativity, there are no boundaries, only endless horizons. Until we meet again on another artistic adventure, keep dreaming, keep creating, and always chase the endless potential of your imagination.